swatches are all RR Tera, so but at least I'm showing only my lips, alright? No judging. I keep getting distracted again. I should just get into this. Hey beautiful people, what's up? My name is Seep and welcome back to yet another video on my YouTube channel, which is all about beauty content. Today's video I will be swatching the Renee nude lipsticks. I had already swatched the previous red lipstick in my previous video. I will link it down below in the description box, also over here. If you are into reds, you can check out that video, and if you're into nudes, then stick around. And now let's get started. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my channel is all about beauty content, so if you're somebody who's into that, please do consider subscribing to my channel as well. I'm also there on Instagram. This is my handle. And now let's start with the video. Those of you who are seeing these lipsticks for the first time, well, that's not possible because they're quite famous, but even if it is, I'll just tell you guys a little about it. This is by the brand Renee. A quick introduction: this is by the brand Renee, and it has 5 lipsticks in one. It has a red range as well, again with 5, and this one. Quick tip right in between of the video: I've observed something, that instead of buying from Nike or Amazon, if you buy directly from the brand's website, right, you get many deals and the products a lot more cheaper. So for example, if Renee has a direct website, buy it from their direct website. Sugar Cosmetics has its own app. If you buy from the Sugar Cosmetics app, get the product for a lot more cheaper, and you also get lots of freebies. This is something that I've tried on my own. So next time, if you're planning to buy something from Nike or Amazon, and if that particular product has its own website or app, do check that out first and then proceed with Nike or Amazon. Like, just do your deals everywhere and then check it out. Just a quick tip, because this is something that I observed myself. Now going back to the video. Alright, so this is what the lipstick looks like. This has about 5 nude, pinkish nude shades. I will swatch all of these for you. Now these are cream lipsticks. These are not matte lipsticks, not transfer proof. They do transfer because they're cream lipsticks. And if you were a 90s kid like me, you would remember that we used to get pencils like this, which we would like put our thumbs in like that, and this is how you change the lipstick also. You put it in and you put it in, like, you put it out and put it in like that, and that's just how the concept is. Very simple. I'm sure that you would all know about this. And now let's just get to the swatching. I'm just going to remove the lip balm that I'm wearing. I'm not really wearing a foundation right now. I really take a lot of good care of my skin. If you're somebody who's into skincare as well or want to fix your skin, follow my channel. Trust me, I would love to help you out with skincare. Anyway, so I've done that. I have a very bad habit of biting my lips. I cannot help it. And my lips are naturally pink, so I don't have any color on me right now. Alright, getting into the first swatch. This is the first one, and they are 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 lipsticks, and I think it's a pretty good deal because it's somewhere around 500 or 600 rupees. You get 5 shades, and in fact, if you spend somewhere around 1000 rupees or something like that, you get 5 shades of red and 5 shades of nude. Like, that is the best thing ever. Just keep these in your bag, and whatever mood you're in, apply whichever shade you want to. This is the best thing for travel. Like, I know right now nobody's traveling because COVID, but yeah, anyways, if you want to, this is like a very good deal. If you're somebody who's into reds, nudes, whatever, if you're into both, this is a very great deal to buy. I keep getting distracted again. I should just get into this. Right, so the first shade is this, and I'm gonna swatch it a little on my hand so that you guys can see. It's a one swipe thing, and they're very well of the shade, and they're super matte and stuff. Now I'm gonna put it on my lips. I'm gonna use you guys as my mirror. So that is shade number 1, and I'm absolute love with it already, because I am somebody who's absolutely into nudes. Like, I'll hardly ever wear reds and pinks. Like, I'm a nude person. All right, so this is the first shade, and it's love. It's love at first sight. I love it. And these are the exact type of nudes that I like. And I'm also somebody who's not that much into matte lipsticks. I'm absolutely into cream lipsticks. Like, I don't mind reapplying them again and again. So yeah, first shade, and that's the hand swatch. Like, if you're somebody who's my skin tone, this is going to look so beautiful, and this is a perfect day shade. I mean, you can wear it in the evening too, that's up to you, but perfect. Moving on to the next one. Alright, so this is the next one. It looks like a deeper brown shade. Let me swatch and show you guys. Yeah, so this one was more of the nude, pinkish nude. This is more like in the brown space. Let me apply. So this is shade number 2. Yet again, a very beautiful brown. Now if you're somebody who's a little deeper shade than mine, this is going to be the perfect nude for you, and it's going to look lovely. Like, these are shades that you actually wear like to the office or during a daytime brunch or Sunday brunch or something like that, which I really do hope will start soon. Yeah, so very nice shade. Right, so this is shade number 3. Swatching it again. Now this is a pinkish nude space. My lips have already become a little dry because of the swatching, so this happens every time I do a swatch video. Oh my god, I love it. Like, this is the perfect nude pink. Like, this is yet again so lovely for somebody who has a skin tone like me. I mean, it can work for darker shades as well, but I can only speak for my skin tone, right? Because I'm the one who's wearing it, so, like, no offense or anything. But anyways, love it. Like, this is the pearl. Like, this is going to be my to-go lipstick. I'm just gonna have this one in my bag, and maybe the red one as well for my cheeks and eyes, and I am done. I do not need anything else in my makeup bag. And I'm always somebody who's into very natural makeup. I don't like, sometimes for experimenting, trying out, because I'm totally into makeup, I will try different things. But if I'm talking about generic everyday workwear, you know, those kind of lunch brunch makeup, this is what I do. This is all that I do, and it's lovely. All right, moving on to the next one. Oh, I didn't swatch. Oh, I did. All right, next shade, a little grayish brown. Can't say much, but let's do that. Yeah, a little mauvish brown, kind of like. So it's not, you know, all the shades kind of like look the same when you see here, like more or less they look the same, but they're actually pretty different if you go by the swatches. My swatches are all Ara, so, but at least I'm showing only my lips. All right, no judging. This is like, I don't know how to name this shade exactly, but it's like, it has a little gray tint in it. Not a very big fan of this one. Just this one I'm not liking much. Like, this is something that I probably might not wear much. Maybe, like, it's not, I'm not saying it's a bad shade, it's just something that's not me. I prefer the first one, the first shade that I tried. This one's just like perfectly me. This, not so much. Alright, moving on to the next one. This is gonna be the last shade now. Like, I so didn't want to get over. Like, I was loving doing it. Like, last shade. Okay, so this is like an orangish shade, I believe. Let's swatch. Where do I swatch? Let's swatch here. I'm so bad at swatching. Yeah, so as I said, little orangish kind of space. So let's wear it on my lips. So it's more like a peach zone of a lipstick. Yet again, not a very big fan of the last 2 shades that I have swatched, because I'm not saying these are bad colors. I'm simply saying these are not my style of colors that I personally would wear. So maybe I'll end up using these 2 on my eyes or on my cheeks, something like that. I mean, I could wear them as lipstick as well, but it's just something that I personally don't wear. Anyway, so that's just my personal choice. These are the 5 shades. I have swatched all of the shades for you, and yeah. Okay, one quick thing that I just want to say, that is something that I'm observing. Maybe I'm wrong, but the quality in terms of the packaging, the product is the same, as in the cream lipsticks, the look and feel, everything is the same, but the packaging, like this packaging, the red one, is a lot more sturdier compared to this one. This feels a lot more plasticky, and it feels a little bit of, like, I don't want to say cheap. The word's not cheap, but it's like, it feels like it might break soon, while this one feels a lot more sturdier, if you know what I mean. Like, it just feels like a better quality of plastic that has been used in the packaging compared to this one. That's the only difference I can say. In terms of the lipsticks and the formula, that's exactly the same. Yet again, if you're somebody who's into reds, you can check out this video that I'm linked in the description or here, and the nudes I just swatched all for you. Now if you're somebody who's into nudes, go for this. If you're somebody who's into reds, go for this. If you're somebody who has a little extra money, go for both. Hi guys, so that's about it for this video. I really do hope that I was helpful to you guys if you want to buy any of these lipsticks, and that's about it for this video. And please do consider subscribing to my channel, which is all about fun makeup and skincare stuff. And that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.